Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For you guys that are new here, hi, my name is Erica and I do videos on vlogs, hauls, fashion, and lifestyle. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe and join me. I do videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot right there. But anyways, you clicked on this video because you were wondering what should I be this Halloween or trying to get any good ideas. Well, this is the perfect video for you. And also these costumes, you can also do like a couple costume with these. Obviously I do not have my boyfriend present, so I cannot like show you guys like together, but these costumes, like, you can just kind of work with it and do a couple costume as well. So that's for the couples, or you could just go solo, doesn't really matter. But anyways, these are just some great ideas. I love Halloween. Halloween's my favorite holiday ever. So I'm excited. I've been wanting to do this video and I saw a lot of people doing videos like this on TikTok and on YouTube. So I'm like, I want to do this too. And if you guys like this video, let me know down in the comments if you want a part 2. I have so much more ideas. I just didn't want to make this video super long. So that's why I'm just trying to see like how you guys like this video first. Anyways, let's get right into the costumes. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Okay guys, so the first costume that I am going to show you guys is a cowboy costume, cowgirl, cowboy. But it's not like the super colorful ones. This is just like a basic one. I just kind of just had in my closet and I'm like, you know, it's super easy, so anybody can do this. So I got leather pants. Well, I already had these leather pants. I had these so long ago and these are not even high rise, even though they said they're high rise. They're really not. And more like high-waisted, and I got these at H&M, I guess it said. It's been a really long time. And I paired this up with a top from Shein, and it was actually very inexpensive or very affordable. And yeah, I got it off there. It's still available, so I will link that down below. So I think this is a great pair to have. I can't really like, well, you guys will see it on me right now and you guys can be the judge, but I think it looks, you know, cowboyish. And I got this last year because last year I was a cowgirl. I was two things last year. I will show you in my video, and they're both DIYs. So, and then I got this cowboy hat off Amazon. It is a little big on me, but it's okay. It's just Halloween. But you guys can get whatever hat you want. I got a black one to match my outfit for that night, and this costume was actually really good for it to be last minute. And I just paired it up with some black heels. Super simple. So yeah, I think I only spent like 25 bucks on everything just because I already had the leather pants, and the only thing I bought was the Shein top, which wasn't expensive, and I think this one was the most expensive. Of course, Amazon is kind of expensive, and the cowboy hat was one, but if you can find one cheaper, that's even better. So the next costume I DIY'd, I did, well, it was supposed to be, well, it is Little Red Riding Hood, you know. I didn't want to buy like the full-on costume, so I was like, you know what, I already had this laced black dress, so it's just like, you know, and like I think you could even make like, you could even be like a vampire with this dress. It'd look cute because some people were like, are you a vampire? And I'm like, no, I'm Little Red Riding Hood. So anyways, it's still a good costume, okay? I don't care what anybody says. But so yeah, it comes with this like for your like sleeves, but I just kind of tuck it in. You don't need a bra with this dress, so you are good. And yeah, so I wore this dress, and then all I bought was this cape, literally, because I already had this dress. And that dress that I showed you, it's from Fashion Nova. If I find it, which I doubt, I will link it down below, but if not, you guys just find like a black lace dress and you're good. So I also got this cape. This one's from the freaking Halloween store. I don't know how much it was though. Yeah, Halloween spirit. I don't know. This is like the code if you guys want to really reach. But anyways, I got this cape. It's a little wrinkly because yeah, it's been in my closet because this was 2 years ago. I think I was Little Red Riding Hood. Me and my boyfriend, well, I was Little Red Riding Hood and my boyfriend was the Huckman, or I don't know. Fuck, what is it called? I'm gonna Google it right now. Huntsman. Okay, it's Huntsman. So me and my boyfriend, I was Little Red Riding Hood and he was the Huntsman. So like kind of like this, you guys. Oh my gosh. Like that's kind of like was our inspiration. You know, I think we did a good job. And I'm gonna show you right now pretty much how it looks on me. I also paired it with some high knee socks. You guys don't really need to see my socks. I got these at Target. I don't know what, like I don't know the number or anything. I just go to Target and get some high knee socks. Then I just paired it with these boots. If you want to be like super, want to pair it with heels, go ahead. I think that would look super cute too, but I personally just wore the boots because you guys, I'm getting old. I can't even wear heels anymore. Like I could only last like an hour in heels and then I'm like, I can't. Like before I used to last like hours, like the whole day, but now I can't do it anymore. Anyways, and I have so many cute heels and I don't wear them anymore. But enough about me. Anyways, so I think this costume is super cute, simple, and very affordable as well. I don't know, I think I spent like in this costume, since I had like mostly everything, the cape and the socks, I think it was like around $30 as well, because you know, you guys know that the Halloween stores, like they be expensive, you know, like I'm like, why? But it is what it is. What you can also do that I did, it depends where you buy it. I don't know if it's in the Halloween store, but at Target, well, I'll probably get into that when I talk about the next costume. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay guys, so for the next costume, I went with like a Harry Potter schoolgirl type of costume. Look, I haven't finished the Harry Potter movie, okay? My boyfriend likes Harry Potter. I think I need to give it a chance, but I really have to really like pay attention. But anyways, we were done for Halloween last year. We were two things, so it was a simple DIY costume for me too. I just saw like some inspirations on Pinterest. Pinterest is the best, I swear. So I had this pencil mini skirt. I don't know where I got this. Oh, okay, never mind. I got this at Forever 21, but I got this years ago, so it's probably not in stock. But you guys can go anywhere and just purchase a pencil skirt or go like on Shein. I'm sure they have some. And then I got this, well, I had this for a while too. I had this white bodysuit. It's a bodysuit. I've had this for years. Again, I got it at Forever 21 and it actually came with sleeves, like sheer sleeves, but I ripped it off because I didn't like it. I still have the sleeve somewhere, like just in case I wanted to be like a mummy or something. And with this scarf, the Harry Potter scarf. In my video, I just have the scarf on and my regular glasses, like those are my real glasses. But I also bought the cape, or the little like thing they wear over. I bought it at the Halloween store, and I think they only gave me before Halloween day to return it. So thank God I went to a party the day before Halloween day, so that way I just like wore it that day and I just returned it to them and then I got my money back. So that's why I don't have it, and I didn't show it in this video because I did end up returning it. I kept the scarf, you know, because I thought it was cute. I was like, I'll just keep it. Oh yeah, a little life hack, you know. I also returned something else at Target. They let me return something. I just needed everything it came with in like the packet, and they let me return it. So you guys, don't be afraid to ask the workers like, oh, when would I be able to return it, you know, like get your money back, because Halloween is just one day, you know. But if you want to keep the costumes, then go for it. The next costume I'm gonna show you guys is a like a 2000s look. I know a lot of people were doing this last year and I was going to, but I didn't because my boyfriend was like, he changed his mind, and we're a team, guys, you know. So he was like, nah, like let's be those Harry Potter, like, you know, students. So I was like, yeah, I'm down. And so I was, you know, but I had a good costume. I had my costume ready and everything. So I paired it up with these like old school jeans. I don't know if you guys can see the material. but it's pretty good. I got these jeans at H&M. I know a lot of people were asking me because I wear these, like, even if it's Halloween or not, I always wear these jeans. And I think I wore it for my Shein fall edition video, and people were asking me where I got my jeans. And I usually get my jeans at H&M, Forever 21, ASOS, you know, I don't know what it's called. I like their jeans there. So that's basically like where I get my jeans. I think those have the best quality. Oh, and Zara, I can't even forget Zara. But anyways, this one's from H&M. I think H&M has pretty affordable jeans, and I paired it with this top that I got from Shein. Again, I think it's still available, so I will list it. Ugh, I can't even talk. I can list it in the description. It's this crop top, simple. And then I got this bandana from Target, so that's a necessity for 2000s. And let me show you guys my glasses. Well, you see right there. So they're these glasses, and these are so 2000, guys, like 2000s vibes right here. Like, yes, I love these glasses. And I specifically got, oh my god, my hair, I'm so sorry. I specifically got these glasses for this costume, and then my boyfriend changed his mind, even though I think these glasses were like $5, so I was chilling. I could list that in the description too if you guys are interested. Super easy. I think that one was the easiest costume because all I had to buy was a bandana and I had to buy the glasses, so super easy. That one I recommend. Also with that costume, you can pair it with like some comeback boots. I was gonna do comeback boots, honestly. Even these boots would have been fine. I don't think it's a problem. Oh my god, sorry, there's a motorcycle if you heard that. Or also those I forgot what those boots are called, the ones that are like light beige, the working ones. Can y'all help me out? I forgot what those boots are called. Timberlands, there you go. Oh my gosh. Anyways, let's go to the last costume I have for you guys today. Okay guys, so this is the finale. This is going to be my costume this year. Let me know what you guys think. So this costume is from a show that me and my boyfriend love, and it's called Money Heist. If you guys have seen it, like this video because that show is just amazing. It's on Netflix, so if you guys want a new show to watch with your boo or just for yourself, like, watch that show. It's so good. Basically, it's a show about like robbers, let's say that. This is the mask they use. So I got this mask necessity, got that on Amazon for like $8. Hopefully the price doesn't go up. So that's too why I wanted to do this video early, so you guys can like don't have to really, oh my god, just kicked my camera, so you guys don't have to wait last minute because I know the prices go up. This thingy is like for your thighs. You guys will see on my like try on like what it really is. Now let's talk about this red jumpsuit. So I got this red jumpsuit off Amazon right here. Ooh. Right here. It's just a red jumpsuit and it's a zip up. I always say zippy. And you could zip it up or down. And then I also wear it with these black boots. Well, actually I have better boots than this. I have like heeled boots, so I probably wear that for Halloween. This costume, I think it's just so badass. Like, I just love it. And I got all of this on Amazon. Everything was pretty affordable. I think I spent, I'm not even gonna lie, on this costume, but I wanted to because I saw this idea on TikTok and I thought it was genius. I don't remember the creator's name. If I find it, I could put it somewhere, but she literally did this costume. It just, I have a different jumpsuit and I have different shoes, but the belt and the mask I think is the same. But I just was like, yes, I think that's it, and me and my boyfriend can both wear this. It's a super easy couple costume to do. I just think it's so cute. Like, I'm sure like you guys will be the talk of the party, so that's what I'm hoping. so we'll see. I'll update you guys how that goes. Okay guys, so that is it for my costumes. I hope you guys liked it. I have so much more ideas, you guys. So if you guys want to know more ideas for Halloween, maybe you guys weren't so satisfied with these, or you just want to know more ideas, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I might just do a part 2, you never know. Let me know down in the comments which costume was your guys' favorite, and turn on the notifications so you know when I upload. I appreciate everyone's support, and if you guys want more content from me, make sure to follow me on Instagram. That will be in the description below if you are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.